In this video, I am going to show you how to create a YouTube channel with necessary settings like two-step verification, custom thumbnail, advanced features and new updates in 2023. Okay, on your PC or laptop, open Google Chrome, then click here and YouTube. Now click sign in. If you don't have any email ID, just create a new one here. If already admins, just enter your email ID. Next, and enter password. Next. Yes. Now click here, your channel. If it shows your Gmail ID name means just edit that. For now I type my channel name. Then tick this check box and click create. Yeah, now we created our YouTube channel. Now let's add logo, channel art and watermark. For that, click customize channel. Then switch this to branding. Here upload your created channel logo, channel art and watermark. If you want to know how to create your own logo, channel art and custom watermark without using Photoshop means, watch these videos. Link in the description. After you upload these three things, switch this to layout. Here you can add your channel intro video, and here you can customize your YouTube channel homepage layout, like you can move, add or edit playlist sections. Then switch this to basic info and here choose your handle. It's a new type of channel link like this. And here write a few sentences about your channel like this. Then here you can add your other social media links like your website link, Instagram, Facebook page, like that stuff. And here enter your contact email ID. Then finally click publish. Go to channel. Yeah, now it looks good. Okay, now let's do the settings work. Just click here, YouTube Studio, settings. Here select the currency, then under channel, select your country of residence. Here on keywords tab, enter some words related to your channel, like what type of content you want to make, like this. And you can add up to 500 characters. Then switch this to advanced settings and set this to no. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. Tick this. Now feature eligibility. Actually here you need to verify your phone number, then only you can able to upload custom thumbnails, longer videos and live shows. So just click verify phone number and here enter your phone number and click get code. Then a code will be sent to that number. You need to enter that here. Now advanced features. To activate this feature, you need to upload your valid identity card. After it's been verified by YouTube, you get full access. If you want a step-by-step video means, watch this video. Link in the description. Then click save. Now here scroll down a bit and click earn. Now scroll down and click email me. This is for once you reach this requirement, you will get a mail from YouTube. Then compulsorily turn on two-step verification. Then click settings, upload defaults. advanced settings. Here make sure it selects standard YouTube license. And here select your channel category. I choose science and technology. And if you wish, you can also add the video and title language. Then click save. That's it. Now you successfully created your YouTube channel and completed the necessary things in 2023. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.